This 2025 Forest River Cardinal 32 Live is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 36 feet 6 inches in length and features a Nassau Decor interior, sleeps 4, microwave, refrigerator, air conditioning, awning, water heater, TV antenna, stovetop burner, slide-out, TV, smoke detector, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Forest River Cardinal 32 Live is 10,325 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.